You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word pronunciation. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here. Let's hear it. Listen carefully. Bikini. Let's break it down. First syllable. Ki. Ni. The stress is on the second syllable, on the ki syllable. Bikini. Bikini. Some may say it as bikini, bikini. That works as well. But generally in English, the first sound is a B sound. Bikini. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.